A new company called Arya Biomed has thrown its hat into the arena of long-term oxygen therapy and portable oxygen. Though it's a newly formed company, there are decades of experience behind it. The founders of Arya Biomed are industry pioneers who plan to use their 4 decades providing freedom and independence to more than 40,000 respiratory patients. They've taken feedback from their wide customer base in regards to weight, convenience, functionality, and mobility, and tried to give them everything on their wish list with a new line of concentrators created with the active oxygen user in mind. This is the sleek and portable Arya P5. As the name suggests, it goes up to a pulse setting of 5. Settings can be adjusted in half increments for laser-accurate titration. The P5 comes with several power options. The AC power supply plugs into any standard wall outlet. While plugged in, the AC power supply will power the concentrator operation as well as charge the battery. The P5 package also includes a DC power supply that plugs into the cigarette lighter or DC power outlet of any car, RV, or boat. You can literally stay out on the lake all day or drive coast to coast without worrying about running out of oxygen. For cordless operation, this unit features an extended life battery, which can provide up to 4 hours of power on a setting of 2. Keep in mind that manufacturers estimate battery life based upon the user having about 20 breaths per minute, so results may vary depending on your breathing rate. Air temperature and humidity can also affect battery life. The Arya P5 is also equipped with an innovative Eco Mode setting. Holding the battery button down for 5 seconds shifts the machine to Eco Mode, which means it will deliver a fixed volume of oxygen per minute regardless of breath rate, which extends the battery life. This is extremely helpful for situations where you need a more specific and accurate battery life estimate, such as when you're flying on a plane. Also, for those who have been prescribed oxygen for nighttime use, the P5 has an auto mode. As we drift off to sleep, our breathing slows and becomes shallower, and we're also more likely to breathe through our mouths. All of this means that a concentrator may have difficulty sensing the user's inhalation. If the P5 doesn't sense a breath for 60 seconds, it will enter into auto mode, which will then automatically deliver boluses of oxygen in order to keep the user properly titrated throughout the night. Though technologically advanced, the P5 is incredibly easy to use. The bold fonts on the indicator screen are easy to read in both bright sun and dim light. It will tell you what pulse mode setting you're on, as well as how much battery life you have left. You can adjust your setting by simply pressing the large up or down arrow. If your cannula becomes kinked or there's some other issue, the screen will also tell you what the error is so that you can quickly solve the problem. Any concentrator purchase from us comes with lifetime phone tech support, so you'll never have to figure out a maintenance issue on your own. You can call our toll-free tech support line, and one of our techs will help you troubleshoot your machine and even arrange to have it sent in for service if necessary. The machine emits both a visual and audible alarm. You can silence the alarm if you're in church or at a theater where you don't want to hear the sound, but for safety's sake, we do recommend that you leave the sound on. The protective carrying case is equipped with a sturdy handle as well as a comfortable shoulder strap. When the machine is in the case, you can access the charging and cannula ports as well as see and operate the control panel. The case unzips at the bottom so you can also change the battery without taking it out of the case. The Arya P5 provides whisper-quiet operation so you won't disturb fellow theatergoers or dinner guests. Its small stature and sleek, inconspicuous styling will go virtually unnoticed at any event, from a lunch with friends to a black tie gala. Modern portable oxygen concentrators, including the P5, use sieve bed canisters to filter out other gases present in ambient air to produce medical-grade oxygen. These canisters will need to be replaced periodically. This used to mean being without your concentrator for a number of days and paying a service center to switch them out. One of the biggest advantages of the Arya P5 is that you can order new canisters and switch them out on your own in a matter of minutes. No service expense and no being without your oxygen. Arya Biomed has handpicked a select number of distributors to provide their machines to the public. They've chosen companies with a reputation for great service and customer satisfaction. We're proud to say that we're one of the companies that has been selected to provide our patients with the entire line of Arya concentrators, including the P5. We realize that a concentrator can be a sizable investment, but you can shop with confidence knowing that we offer lifetime warranties on the P5 and have several factory-approved phone technicians to answer any questions that may come up. We also have several solutions when it comes to paying for your concentrator. We have low preferred provider pricing. Our finance team can help you secure zero money down financing. And if you're on Medicare, our Medicare professionals can help you figure out what benefits you're eligible for and even deal with the headache of submitting the paperwork on your behalf so you don't have to worry about that. Visit us online at www.firstclassmedical.com or give us a call at 1-800-520-5726, where our respiratory specialists are available to take time to understand your needs and do what it takes to get you the concentrator that best suits them.